Hello everybody and welcome back to the Creative Room! Today here at the McQuaid household, we're getting ready to go back to school. Are you going back to school too? Are you starting kindergarten? Or maybe preschool? Or maybe any other grade? There is nothing more fun than making a school personal. So we are trying to personalize everything we can. So we are making some clips so that you know exactly where you are in the day, what class you have next, where you are, and when you're done and you can go play. We're also making some bookmarks. It's just a little clip that you can put on your book when you're done reading so that you know next time where to find where you left off. Also, pencils and pens and colors can be boring. So we're trying to make it fun with some silly googly eyes so that when you're writing, they're like, hi, 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 hi. And you need a place to put them, right? So we make this little guy out of toilet paper roll. It is super easy to make. All of this is so easy to make. So if you want to create any of these things, we're going to have some links and some printables for you in the description box below. So make sure that you go and check that out after you finish this video, of course, because we're going to make together a school bus. Beep, beep. He's coming for you. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need popsicle sticks. I have them already in different colors, but if you don't, you can use markers to color them, or you can use paint. So you're gonna need yellow ones because the school bus is yellow. You're gonna need one that you cut in half and paint black. As you can tell, it was blue. So I colored the wheels, these are gonna be the wheels, black with a marker. You're gonna need another one of any color. Maybe silver, because it will be the bumper. You're also gonna need a picture of yourself. I have Kelsey, but you can have a picture of yourself. If you don't have a picture of yourself, maybe you can just grab a piece of paper and you can make a drawing of yourself, or you can just put the year or what grade you're going in. You can just put kindergarten really big. You can make some creation that you want to put inside of this bus. You're gonna need 2 pom-poms or something that you can use as the lights in the back. And I have this little sticker that says back to school because I thought that was fun. You're gonna need scissors and you're gonna need glue. That's it. Are you ready? Let's do this. So the first thing that you're gonna make is your frame. So we're gonna need to put one of the yellow ones on top and one in the bottom. To create a little square. You know your shapes? This is a square. Good job. Now we're gonna put, actually we had to flip it over because I made a boo-boo. Oops. There we go. That's much better. Now we're gonna put another yellow one on this side. And another yellow one in the bottom. And then another yellow one in the top. No, I mean in the bottom. I said top because he was on the top for me. But it's in the bottom. You see it? Does it look like a school bus to you? Okay, while the glue is drying, we're gonna cut our picture because we're gonna put our picture on the inside. So we have to make sure that it fits. Let's see. How will this look? That is so fun. That is so fun. So we're going to turn it around and we're going to measure one last time to make sure that our picture actually fits. There you go. And then you're going to glue it. There's Kelsey. Now we need the wheels on the bus that go round and round. Oops. Now you're going to turn it around again to see where they need to go. There you go. What do you think? It's looking good. Now let's put our lights. And the final touch is our back to school sign. If you don't have any sticky paper like this, you can just write it down. It will work just fine. Back to school. What do you think? Do you love it? I really like it. And I think that you can make one of these and it will look amazing in your new desk when you're ready to go to school. If you make any of these things, let me know in the comments. Maybe show me a picture. I would love to see it. And you can get creative and maybe show me other new things that you have made that I would love to try. I love you, I miss you, and I'm praying for you to have an amazing school year.